Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Summit Life.
And welcome back to our shop here in Park City.
It is very, very cold out. Despite how much work we have here in the shop, we decided to take a day off and have some fun for once. And by fun, I mean we're gonna take half the day off because we still have crazy amounts of work to do. Like this Ferrari is in for a full PPF.
And then we have a 911 Turbo S in for a full paint correction.
So from like 9 a.m. to about 4 p.m. we're gonna have some crazy amounts of fun, but then after 4 p.m. it's back to work for us. But we're not gonna show you that, that's boring. What are we doing today?
We are going to be swapping our cars out, well, our car. So we're gonna be trading our Lamborghini Gallardo for Post Malone's 720S that he sang about in the song Wow.
If you take a look around us, the Gallardo is nowhere to be seen, so we're gonna go pick that up right now.
And the Cayman too, why not?
So we were planning on working on the Tahoe this week, but things got out of hand and we kind of ran out of time. So stay tuned for some updates on that. Because I know you guys are just dying to know. Just dying to know about the Tahoe.
Here you are, my lady.
Thank you. Oh. Oh, goodness gracious. Ooh, it is just too cold. What in the heck is going on here? Are you turning down the temperature? Okay, this isn't funny anymore.
Yeah, somehow it's getting colder outside. You have arrived.
So for those of you who are new here, we store our 2 cars across town because we do not have enough space at our shop.
Seems to be a common issue amongst car people. You
Yes.
buy the car, then figure out where it's gonna go.
Yeah. Alright, I think the Gallardo is heated up enough. Let's see if we can get some really good pops. Oh, there was a good one. Ooh, that color is popping in the sun. Now, you're probably wondering why I gathered you all here today, and that's because we want to talk about our sponsor, Kumho Tires.
Kumho Tires.
This video would not be possible without Kumho Tires. In fact, they're allowing us to have somewhat of a day off to film this video.
Kumho's been a sponsor of our channel for a really long time, and we are so happy with that sponsorship because it allows us to take days off from our normal day-to-day business to film content for you guys. So if you like it when we post videos, which I know you guys do, make sure you smash that like button and click the link in the description and check out Kumho Tire. So on both the Cayman and the Gallardo, we have the Kumho Ecsta PS91, which is an ultra high performance summer tire. These are amazing tires. We'll see how they do on the snow today. And then over here on the Range Rover, we have the Kumho Crugen HP71, which is a really nice all-around, all-season tire.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I've driven pretty fast in some of the recent blizzards we've had, and I did just fine.
Yeah, these tires do awesome for all season. I was a little worried, but
Yeah.
I was pleasantly surprised, and they look fantastic.
Kumho does do a good job at their sidewalls. Ooh, that is a good looking lineup, and we got KPMF on all of those. KPMF and Kumho, the two Ks.
That is the most perfect combo, the double K.
The double Ks. All right, while we wait for the 720S to get here, how about a rev battle?
Rev?
Yeah.
All right, listen to this, you ready?
Wow.
I got valves. I'd say you won.
Yeah, if you ever get cold, just stand by the back.
Yeah.
I'll light you on fire.
Light my ankles on fire.
Yeah. All right, Post Malone's 720S just pulled in and it looks dynamite. Oh, wait, hold on. You're not Post Malone.
It's not me.
What's going on here. Just roll up the window and I'll
Discount
pretend.
brand Post Malone.
So we finally made it out here to our parking lot by our shop, and with the one and only
What's up,
Patrick
guys?
Adair. This is not Post Malone.
Walmart brand Post Malone.
Walmart brand Post Malone with 100% Post Malone's old 720S that he would only listen to Fall Out Boy in, right?
Yes, yes. It's modified to only be allowed to play with Fall Out Boy. If you try anything
Only.
else, it shuts off the engine.
It shuts off. He just bought Post Malone's 720S, and he is gracious enough to come up to Park City, meet us, and we're gonna do a car swap. I'm gonna hand him the keys to the Gallardo, he's gonna hand us the keys to the 720, and we're gonna have a super awesome day. But first, I think we need to see if we're actually stuck out here in the parking lot. And I do wanna apologize before we do donuts. The wind out here today is really, really bad. We're trying hard to keep the audio good. But thanks to Faith, the windbreak, I think we should get good audio. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I might not even be able to move. We might be stuck here till spring.
Oh, hey
Yes.
now, you promised me donuts. I'm gonna get donuts.
Oh, okay, well, we'll do our darndest. I got summer tires on these. I ordered winter tires, and they're not coming till like 2 more days.
Why are we all on summer tires right now in the middle of winter? That's the real question. All right, so Patrick proved to us that it's a little slick out here,
It's a little terrible.
but let's see how the V10 does.
I think it'll do much, much better.
It's trying. It's trying so hard, but those summer performance tires are not letting it happen.
Nope.
Nice! Woo!
We're gonna get stuck out here. Get stuck.
Donuts are over. They weren't very good, but that's because we all made the mistake of coming out here on summer performance tires. Honestly, the Mclaren did worse than I expected it to. The Cayman is absolutely the worst. The Gallardo did pretty good for being on summers. I will give it that. But we're going to head back to the shop, and my favorite part of the video, switch some keys. All right, we are back here at our shop with the three beauties. Now, Patrick, you haven't driven a 720.
I have not driven a 720.
I haven't driven a 720. So what are some pointers?
Let's see. On summer tires, with that much power, it like you can't even floor it. You know, like it doesn't have traction.
Okay.
Let the tires get warm. Make sure
Okay.
to go in track mode. It's a different car in track mode.
So in layman's terms, don't crash.
Exactly.
Okay. Now the #1 rule in the Gallardo is make sure you shoot flames at all times.
Okay, at all times?
Yep, that's my biggest
Okay,
advice.
So just keep it in first gear and just,
Patrick, how confident are you in your masculinity?
I'd say I'm just confident enough to drive around in a bright pink Gallardo.
I'm pretty sure there's not a Coke.
Man, this is a new look. This is definitely a look. Sitting in a McLaren.
Should we buy one?
Should we buy one? I don't know.
I say yes.
I say maybe.
I say, how do you move the seat? Faith, will you do the honors? Turn it on for me?
Sure.
Good job. Oh.
Here they come.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
Ooh, the shifts are buttery smooth.
Yeah? Oh wow. You don't even feel them.
You don't feel it at all.
That is literally the complete opposite of the Gallardo.
The Gallardo's like,
Boom. Man, we did good on that car.
yeah, that Gallardo's pretty sick.
I gotta say, this thing feels like a straight up spaceship.
It is.
Launch it. Right off the bat, McLarens are not meant for short people.
Your
This
seat's
is
all the way forward?
Dangerously close, and yeah. It's like I'm clicking like a mouse pad. Like click.
You're like, yes, go faster. So you want a McLaren. Oh. I think that means yes. Maybe we get a 570.
If you want to deal with all the maintenance and drive it down to Denver every couple months, sure. All right, our day with the McLaren is coming to an end. It's almost 4 p.m., but we had to come to our favorite lookout and get some insane shots with the McLaren and the backdrop of Park City. I gotta say though, there's one thing that this McLaren is missing.
Some Kumho tires.
You read my mind. P0s are a thing of the past. It's all about Kumho tires.
Pretty much.
It's almost 4 p.m. and we agreed with Patrick we would meet back at the shop at 4:30. So
We only have a few more minutes with the car.
I know, and it was growing on me.
I mean, maybe if this was pink, I'd like it a little bit more.
Oh,
Maybe.
okay.
I miss the pink.
I miss the pink, I miss the Fab Speed exhaust and the crackles.
Well, I think it's time we head back to the shop to meet Patrick. Good job.
Thanks. Thanks. Good job for what?
Not killing us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah. Well, you made it back in one piece.
I'm alive, and the car's alive. No wrecks.
Heck yeah.
I'm thrilled. It's always a little bit stressful, honestly. Like, it's a new car.
Totally.
You're trying to film a video.
Imagine us in the McLaren.
it's so
That
fun.
thing's like twice as fast.
Yeah, well,
And twice
we were
as much.
we
Twice
all
as
made it
nervous.
back
How was it? How was the Gallardo?
it's so fun. So many, like, it's very, very different from the McLaren.
yeah.
Like, I love that. It's just
Completely different.
Yeah. The all-wheel drive's amazing. The tires, like, even though they're summer tires, those things grip. I could not brake traction.
You hear
What?
that, guys? He likes the tires.
Oh, the Kumho sponsor?
Yeah, Kumho Tires for the win.
There's your free plug, Kumho. They're great tires. They're summer tires, but I did not once brake traction.
Yeah.
Maybe if I was like wheeling it around a corner on an icy road, that's one thing. Like,
And that's what you want to do. You want to break
Yeah.
loose a little bit.
yeah, and like get winter tires in the winter.
Oh, yeah.
But
Totally.
like this thing was glued to the ground.
Perfect.
It's faster than the McLaren, like 0 to 60, because you can't get that traction. Cool.
The one thing the McLaren's missing is Kumho tires. So
Kumho tires. Might have to get myself a winter pair.
So I think there's just one thing left to do, and that's just trade our keys back.
I don't know about that. Just kidding.
Until next time, it was a blast. I can't wait to do that again.
So next up, we'll swap out for the Ford GT.
Ford GT.
Ooh, you guys need to get in that. It's such
Yeah.
a sick vehicle.
James had the GT for how long? Like a year? And
Less,
I never
like
got to
6
drive
months.
it. I never got to drive in it.
Yeah. You never even registered it. Because you
Classic
Stinker.
James.
Yep.
That stinker.
Yep, that stinker.
Well, Patrick, till next time.
Until next time. It's
Peace
been a
out.
pleasure.
That wing is so crazy.
Oh no. Sal, we have to go back to work now.
Faith and I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we were able to take the day off to film for you guys with Patrick's McLaren, Post Malone's own McLaren, because of our channel sponsor, Kumho. We want to give a huge shout out to them once again. If you guys are in the need of tires, which I know you will be eventually, definitely check out their inventory. I know they have a tire right for you.
Like we've stated in previous videos, we would not share a brand with you guys that we didn't absolutely love and trust. And Kumho, if you're watching this, I'm your biggest fan. I think that is going to conclude today's day. What a day.
What a fun day.
It's been a while since we've had a day like this.
It's been a long time, actually.
Oh,
We should probably
that
make
was
this
great.
like a weekly occasion.
I know. Gosh darn it, guys. Well, I can't complain. We're surrounded by supercars all the time, and we got to drive a crazy one today.
Insane one today.
But with that, we will see you guys in the next video.
Peace.